Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore what's new in the managed service provider world on the cloud platform for HPE GreenLake. Let's get started. When creating a workspace, you have two options, the standard enterprise workspace and the MSP workspace. In this video, we will focus on a new feature introduced in the MSP workspace related to tenant workspaces. Let's dive right in. Once inside the MSP workspace, the next step is to create customer workspaces. We have added a new option where you can specify whether the devices and subscriptions will be owned by the customer or the MSP. Based on your selection, you will see the corresponding tabs in the workspace. Here, I have created two workspaces to demonstrate the different ownership models. This first example, named Sugar Dust Bakers, is an MSP owned workspace. This means that the MSP owns the devices and subscriptions. Notice that the device tab is not visible at the top center. This is because the customer has no control over the devices in this scenario. The MSP manages these devices and can move them across different tenants as needed. The second example is a customer owned workspace. In this case, MSP can add inventory and subscription at tenant workspace, which will be exclusively for this tenant. From a layout perspective, you will notice that the device tab is visible at the center top. This concludes our video on this exciting and important feature introduction. Thank you for watching.